Hey, in today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide from A to Z on how to download and install Microsoft Office LTSC 2024. Completely clean, 100% official, and super fast. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on any useful tech tips. Let's get right into it. First, I'm going to uninstall the current version of MS Office on my computer. First, open up your web browser and search for Office Customization Tool, or you can go directly to config.office.com. On the main interface, under Create a New Configuration, click on the Create button to start making our new configuration file. Under Deployment Settings, for architecture, you should choose 64-bit to get the best performance on modern computers. Next, scroll down to Products, and under Office Suites, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Now, scroll down to the Apps section. By default, Microsoft turns everything on. If you only need essential software like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, just toggle off the unnecessary apps like Access, Skype, or Outlook. Click Next to move on to the Language section. I'll usually go with English United States. For sections like Installation or Update, you can leave them as default and click Next. Finally, keep clicking Next until the end. Then look at the top right corner and click the Export button. In the pop-up window, select Office Open XML format. Click OK, accept the terms, name the file Office 2024, and hit Export to download it. And just like that, we have our official configuration file from Microsoft. Now, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Make sure to right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to grant it full privileges. Next, we need to point CMD to our installer folder on the desktop. Go back to the Office folder, click on the address bar at the top to copy the path. In CMD, type CD, paste the path, and hit Enter. Type the command setup/configure office2024.xml and hit Enter. Instantly, the official Microsoft Office 2024 installation window will pop up. Now, all we have to do is sit back and wait for the progress bar to reach 100%.